Hello friends. Today I am here to share about National I Love My Feet Day. It is celebrated every year on August 17. Our feet are primary mode of transportation. They quietly and faithfully help us stand, swim, run, walk, play sports, jog, skip and dance. Our feet withstand all the things we do in our everyday lives and accomplish things our hands cannot. So this is a day to appreciate how valuable our feet are, to practice good foot care and pamper our feet. So on this day, let's get to know about the importance of foot care, tips for healthy feet, the little history behind that National I Love My Feet Day, and also how do you celebrate it. Now let's get started. Now let's get to know about the importance of foot care. Proper foot care helps in reducing pain. Painful feet can impair balance and functional ability. Proper foot care also helps in increasing mobility and physical activity. Foot problems are a major causes of walking difficulties in older people. Foot care helps in increasing self-esteem. It also helps in increasing social contact and participation in leisure and cultural activities. Foot pain can cause people to wear loose footwear, which can contribute to falls. So proper foot care helps in reducing risk of trips and falls. Now, on this National I Love My Feet Day, let's get to know about some of the tips for healthy feet. Check them daily for cuts, sores, swelling and infected toenails. Give them a good cleaning in warm water but avoid soaking them because that may dry them out. Moisturize them every day with lotion, cream or petroleum jelly. Don't put moisturizer between your toes. You want to keep the skin that dry to prevent infection. Avoid wearing tight-fitting shoes. Your shoes shouldn't hurt your feet. Skip the flip-flops and flats. They don't provide enough arch support. Rotate your shoes so you aren't wearing the same pair every day. Trim your toenails straight across with a nail clipper. Then use an emery board or nail file to smooth the corners, which will prevent the nail from growing into your skin. Now let's get to know about the little history behind this National I Love My Feet Day. Now, moving on to the little history behind this National I Love My Feet Day. National I Love My Feet Day was submitted by Carolyn D. Jenkins in May of 2015. And this was then added at National Day calendar and declared as National I Love My Feet Day to be observed annually on August 17. Now let's get to know about the celebration of this National I Love My Feet Day. Now let's get to know about the celebration of this National I Love My Feet Day. Taking care of our feet is important for preventing long-term problems. Years of wear and tear can be hard on them, as can disease, bad circulation, improperly trimmed toenails and poorly fitting shoes. So how do you celebrate this day? On this day, get to know about the importance of foot care and practicing good foot care. Practicing good foot care is easy. Elevating your feet when you sit is a relaxing way to help reduce swelling. Stretching, walking or having a gentle foot massage aids circulation. A warm foot bath is also helpful. Make sure your feet are dry before putting on shoes. Wearing shoes when outside provides your feet better protection. So on this National I Love My Feet Day, pamper your feet by practicing good foot care. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this National I Love My Feet Day, the little history behind this, the importance of foot care and some of the tips for healthy feet. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.